Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the picture for single for singles, single, which means single logos and slogans and sayings for being single, and to put what you put on caps and on t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and jackets, and anything else you can think of, because this is a print-on-demand business, right? And I recommend the platform Printful because they start you off for free and they give you all the training that you will ever need to be successful in this business. The only thing that you've got to do is do what I'm going to show you, and it's not that hard. No, it's not. It's really, really simple. It's basic stuff, yeah. That's what it is, so you don't have to worry about it, you see. I mean, it's just, being in it, you want to get off your active income because that's the worst income. It's the highest taxed, because it's all slanted that way, so then you will pay the highest tax to the corporation that calls itself government. And while the taxes aren't taxes, they're their profits. So that's what that is, you see. And they don't teach you anything I'm teaching you right here. That this particular business is a passive business and gives you passive income and will replace your job. But you've got to stick with it, that's all. And the only thing you have to do is do the sayings. Everything else that you do in this is just, it's done once, that's all. But doing the sayings and the logos and slogans is something is ongoing, because you won't, not all of them will be winners. So, but you don't cry over the losers. You chuck them out and you just put in some more until you find your winners, and then eventually you'll find a whole lot of winners and you'll be free. It's just, that's how it is. Like this girl, Rachel Raffay. She's on YouTube all the time trying to, with her low-hanging system. Well, she was a cashier at Walmart. And she got sore feet every day. And she thought to herself, well, there's got to be a better way. And she found her better way. Of course she did. Print on demand, didn't she? So that's what she does. That's her business. See? And she's making $30,000 plus a month. Plus, I want all the training and everything she provides as well. I mean, I've got her course, so I know what I'm talking about here. This business is passive, and this is what you need. And Printful provides that. Okay, I wouldn't recommend Rachel's because it's expensive. Okay, it's not something that you can really get into and get your teeth around. It's just not, it's just expensive. That's it. It's thousands of dollars. I invested in that. And I probably did the wrong thing because I'm not using it now. And no, that's the thing, because that's what happens, you see, because I'm involved with something else. But anyway, let's get on with it. We'll get these some more logos done, shall we? Here we go. Here we are at the thing again, at the thing. Now what can we? That's it. See. So this is another one, right? Oh, okay. Gonna correct that mistake. But yes, you see, you've just got to realise that, you're not the government that calls itself the common corporate company that calls itself government is not there for you. It's there for itself, and it's feeding off you, and that's what it is. It's just leeching off you, and that's how it is. You've got to get to the point where you don't have to being single isn't right. I'm gonna this one. Ah, okay. Okay. Sorry. I mean, this is just mistake after mistake. I do this all the time, so I've just got to bear with it. We'll get round over it eventually, so that's what will happen. But I've just got to go through the mistakes, and that's all there is to it. And I've got to look down because I'm no typist. So I really would wish I'd learnt that, but I didn't take it into school. So being single isn't in the end of the world. Yeah, that's right. It's not. See, it's actually a good place to be in some respects. You know, it's not the end of the world, you know. And see, and there's another thing, see, being single is not a bad thing. See? I mean, that's another one. So there you go, there's another one, see? Being single is not a bad thing, and it's not. You know, I mean, you're a free agent. I mean, that's what it is. So it can be actually a good thing, you know. Um, see, so and as a result of being single, you have more friends, you know. But there is of course what happens over time though is that those friends usually partner off and I know because I'm I've been through that too because look at me, I'm old, I'm not a young man, I'm not. But I know about all this stuff because I went through it, right? See, when I was young, I was a single agent. I was. I know about all this stuff. So you see, you just got to realise that there are things that you can do. You know, it's not the end of the world. Now, when you're single, right? What you know, single means right. You think for yourself, and that's true. See, that's what this means. You think for yourself. Because you have to, otherwise, if you don't, well, you know, because there's no one to look after you, is there? You know, that's it. You've got to think for yourself. Think single means you think for yourself, you know, and that's exactly right. Exactly right. You know, you can't not do that because no one else is going to help you. You only got yourself. That's it. Being single is not a bad thing, and being single isn't the end of the world. See, all this, that. See, how long did it take me to come up with those? A few minutes? That's three, just on the fly, just in front of you right there. Okay? And, you know, I'll show you what I mean. I mean, this is, and these go on your hoodies and your hats and all this, and your t-shirts and mugs and the jackets and stuff. So I'll show you what I mean, see? And see, there's this girl, see? You know, see, what does it say there? And she's wearing a hoodie, and your design here. See, so when that design goes on that hoodie, that all of a sudden that hoodie is unique. There's no other hoodie like it in the market. See? Right? And once you get some winners on your sayings, your logos and slogans, mate, I'm telling you, you'll have some winners like this, and the only place they can get it is from you. And because your sayings are you own are covered by copyright, and you are the one who owns it. So, and if you get those winners, that's which will come, and then you've got a business that's got some longevity to it, see, and they'll pay you, and you can work 24. You can't work 24 hours out of job. You've got to go home and have some rest. You can't. It's impossible. I mean, I know I've got some doctors who tried that, and out here where I am, you know, and that guy, the guy who did that, he died because he was sleep deprived. See, and that's what it was, you know. I mean, and in China they do the same thing, you know, for 30, 40 hours and all this kind of stuff, and they die too because it's the brain just can't hack it. So you just have a massive stroke or something like that, and it kills you, or an aneurysm, and then that's it, it kills you. You know, aneurysm in the brain, and it kills you. You know, that's what happened. Because I knew someone who, a kid that had that, he died. He was an epileptic, and he just didn't wake up, and the next morning he was dead. And that's, you know, this sort of thing happens. So you got to be careful, right? But so I'm saying get involved, right, in this, and I'll show you something else here. Hang on a minute. What do we got? Here we are. Here we go. There's my Printful account. Right, that's my Printful account. That's my name, and then they show you what to do. See, design your own product. That's where I'm up to. You know, which is probably just putting the designs on the product. Like I said, these logos, and sayings. You see, and then there's what the things you've got to do, right, to set up everything in your store and everything else, right? And then you just You just, see, and then choose a product and start designing it, see. And that's the t-shirts, the caps, because these are the best sellers, and the mugs, and a placemat, see, a mat, you see. So that's what you do, and you got your challenge here, the Printful challenge. There it is there, right? All this to go through, you gain points, and you can, and all that sort of stuff. Uh, and how to start a print-on-demand business for beginners, and that's it. That's exactly what you're a beginner. So, and it's got your fashion guide. You go to shortcuts. You see, your go-to shortcuts. So you got your fashion guide, which tells you what selling, and then you got your Printful Academy, where you learn about paid traffic, free traffic, or what, and anything else in between. What you do with your products and everything else, and then you've got product templates, which show you how to use as well. So this is all here. It's all here. Tips, and there's some tips and guides. Everything's here to train you, because you're just a beginner. See, and don't cry over the losers. For goodness sake, don't. I mean, it's not worth it. It's not a job, okay? And because a job, is a prison. That's what it is. It's a prison for your mind, and you're trapped there. And this is what you want to do, create slogans, put on these items of clothing, and that's right, and then and this makes people think a bit. Yeah, see, being single is not a bad thing. I mean, you imagine wandering around with that on your back or on your front or wherever, on your cap or anything. Single means you think for yourself, or being single isn't the end of the world. No, it's not. There's some advantages to it. So, just think about that, and, I mean, get into the Printful business, because they help you. They want you to succeed here. And once you do, well, they get you get paid, they get paid. Well, what's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that. You know, I mean, you work in your job. That's how that works. You do the work, and the boss gets paid. That's how that works. I mean, there's no doubt about that. It's the same deal. So, if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in another video. But get involved. Come on. Get yourself off earned income. It's the worst. It's the pits. You're never free. Get yourself free. Come on. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.